Hello everybody, it's me Ivano and you're watching Prime TV. Today I'm doing part 2 of how to tape your hockey stick. I'm going to be teaching you how to tape the knob of your stick. What you'll need are scissors, hockey tape, and a stick. To get started, you want to first take your hockey tape and just tape a tiny bit, just about that big, and put it on the end of your hockey stick, and then stretch it all the way down and wrap it around once. You only want to wrap it around once. And then you stretch it out, and you go like that, and you twist it, and you spin it, so it makes sort of that rope, sort of. So then you take this, and you just wrap it around your stick to create, like, finger holes. And you just keep wrapping it around and make sure to leave space for your fingers. Then once you're done that, just take it and you wrap one loop around. And you just keep wrapping it up. Make sure to do it tight so you can clearly see the finger holes. Wrapping around. And then once you get to your knob, you can either have a big knob or a small knob. Some people like big knobs, some people like small knobs. I like big knobs because when you put your hand, it doesn't like slide off. So I like to wrap it around quite a bit, and so you just keep wrapping it around and wrapping it around until you get the desired thickness. So I'm not going to go too big. I'm just going to keep it pretty short. I guess I'll stop there. Then you just take your scissors and you just snip it off. Just fold it around. And what I do, if you have those stuff hanging off, is you just fold it over. That's what I do. Or you can actually take tape and tape over it. So I'll show you how to do that too. Is you can go like this and you just take a little bit of tape and put it like that and then just wrap it over so you can't see it. Tight. And then that's one way you can do it. And then like that. And just do one more for horizontally or vertically. And cut it off here. So basically like a square, and then so you don't see those things over, I just wrap it around once more. You can do that. Some people don't. Some people do. I don't, but I can. So you're basically finished, and you can you put those wraps around, that rope around, to put finger holes. So that's basically how you tape the knob of your stick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys showed me a lot of love for the last 3 videos, and it's only been about a week. So I've got maybe 70 views, and so I'm pretty proud of that. So thank you for all the love, and again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.